Is your turtle constantly trying to escape the tank, climbing the wall or glass surfing, or trying to get out? That's not a random behavior. It's usually a signal showing something in your setup is wrong. Vanakkam Turtle family. I am Ram from Miami. One of the most common questions that I get is my turtle is trying to get out of the tank. Is he unhappy? And the answer is sometimes yes, but not always the reason you think. So, in this video, I will explain why turtles constantly trying to escape and what each behavior means and how to fix it properly. Turtles don't try to escape for no reason. In the wild, movement means survival. When your turtle is trying to get out, it usually points out to stress, environmental imbalance, or biological need. Your job is to understand which one. Now, let's talk about the common reasons. Number one, water quality issues. If the water is uncomfortable for them, they will try to leave it. Bad smell, cloudy water, or waste buildup. That is uncomfortable for them. Number two, tank too small. Turtles need a lot of space. They're very good swimmers. If the tank space is small, they feel restricted. So, climbing is always a sign of lack of space. Number three, no proper basking area. I have seen a lot of them have kept the turtle in a tank without a basking place. Turtles need to get to a basking place easily and dry themselves up. If you don't provide a proper basking setup, they always try to escape the tank to find an optimal place where they can dry themselves up. Number 4. Temperature problems. If the water is too cold or the basking area is not warm enough, turtles become restless because they need stable temperature in the water as well as the basking place. Number 5. Stress or external disturbance. If there are too much noise or if you are constantly handling the turtles or if you are making any sudden movements, they don't feel secure and they try to escape. Number 6. Egg laying behavior. This is very important. If your turtle is a female and it is constantly trying to escape out, restlessness, or constantly digging, these are the signs of egg laying behavior. If you don't provide them a proper nesting setup, they will try to escape the tank constantly. Now, let's talk about how to identify the real cause. Don't guess. Observe. Is your water clean? Is your tank size enough? Is the basking area accessible to them? Is the temperature in the water and the basking area stable? Or if you made any recent changes? Because behavior always has a reason. Let's talk about how to fix this. Improve the water quality, increase the tank size or the water volume, always provide a stable basking area, provide efficient heat and UVB, reduce their stress, also provide a proper nesting setup if it is a female. Always fix the environment. The behaviors will change. What not to do? Don't ignore it. Stop handling them more frequently. Don't try to stop your turtle forcefully when it is trying to escape it. You're not solving the problem, just hiding it. Let's talk about the important insight. Not all the escape attempts are serious. Sometimes turtles are explorers. How do you differentiate them? If they are constantly trying to escape again and again, then it is a problem. If your turtle is trying to escape, don't stop the behavior. Try to understand it. That's how you can solve the problem. If this helped you today, like, share and subscribe for more turtle care videos. If your turtle is showing constant escape behavior and you're not sure why, DM me on my Instagram at my.ame and book consultation and I will help you fix your setup step by step. See you on the next.